do that? It's recording now.
Oh, it's recording now then.
It is, it's recording.
Wait, so we're going to... Right.
So all we're going to do is a quick handball.
Here's the man, Al. We're out here having fun with our what fours.
In the snow, it's bloody cold.
Well done, Chris Foss. We're having a load of fun with these little designs.
Right, I'm just going to launch it and then land it inverted.
That's the plan.
It's only me in England can do it.
God, I'm really struggling to follow this. I think it's up there somewhere. If I block the aeroplane out with my...
You see it? Okay, there we go for the roll.
Nice. This is going to be good.
That's not as easy as it looks, ladies and gentlemen. In fact, I don't recommend anybody should ever try that.
Great. We're going on to pause.